Hey there, my meaty friends. This is Reed, aka CarnivorousChef. I don't know about you, but sausage balls have always been a part of my family holidays for as long as I can remember. In fact, I think they're the first thing I remember cooking because nobody wants to sit around and make 500 of these tasty morsels by themselves. So, if you're in the mood for a tasty treat, grab your ingredients and maybe some friends or family and start rolling up something delicious. To get started on this one, I suggest removing any watches and rolling up those sleeves because it will get a little messy. For this recipe, you'll need our good old friend ground pork rinds in the amount of 3 ounces, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 pound of breakfast sausage, and 2 eggs. There's really no wrong way to do this. As long as you have your ingredients ready and some clean hands, you can start mixing and rolling. Literally just add your ingredients to a bowl and begin to mix. Just make sure you don't get any unwanted ingredients such as eggshell like I later found out that I had in mine. I suggest mixing and meshing by hand for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure everything is incorporated. It should look a little something like this when combined. Scrape off the excess hand dough back into the bowl and wash up. Grab yourself a standard size cookie sheet and rip off some parchment paper. Get it laid out and avoid the GoPro attached to it. If you want to help this along, dip your hands in water periodically to keep the dough from sticking. Now, just simply grab an amount of dough and roll them out. That's really it. It's just as easy as making meatballs, but the outcome is so much more special. Once you have all of your batter rolled out, throw your balls into an oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 minutes. You can absolutely cook them a bit longer if you want to. The longer they cook, the toastier the cheese on the outside will get. Once they're out, let them cool at room temp for about 10 minutes. Then, set up an elaborate presentation and stack them up. Here's a little close-up of the inside texture. And this first bite is for my Patreon community. These are super tasty, rich and toasty. When they're made with flour, they're a little more toasty, but these still have a nice toasty quality about them. You'd have a toasty quality about you too if you like and subscribe.